Keppel Smith Towage owns, manages, and operates a fleet of 24 tugs exclusively for harbor operations in Singapore. They are in the process of upgrading their planned maintenance system to generate task lists for scheduled maintenance as determined by the equipment manufacturer. To optimize the use of these equipment, Keppel Smith Towage is looking for a solution to monitor their condition so that maintenance is only carried out when necessary. However, they are facing an obstacle in extracting and digitizing the analog signals from these equipment in order to perform data analytics for condition-based monitoring. The solution should be able to extract analog signals from the main engine and electrical generator, provide intelligence to guide maintenance activities for the tugs, and improve asset availability for utilization within a reasonable cost of implementation.